Imagine this: you finally save up your hard-earned money, buy an SUV that you thought would last you years, and within months, you're stuck at the mechanic's shop, staring at an outrageous repair bill. You feel cheated, right? And here's the harsh truth: most SUVs on the used market are ticking time bombs. They look shiny, they look strong, but under the hood, they're silently draining your wallet. That's why so many people end up broke, frustrated, and stuck with a vehicle that feels more like a curse than a blessing. But here's the secret: car dealerships, shady sellers, and even some mechanics don't want you to know there are SUVs that simply don't break. Vehicles so solid, so time-tested, that once you buy them, it's almost like they refuse to die. These aren't the trendy, overhyped models that leave you stranded on the highway. These are the rare, battle-tested machines built to last hundreds of thousands of miles without bleeding you dry in repairs. Think about this: what if you could drive an SUV that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but actually saves you money every single year by not breaking down? No more surprise alternator failures, no more transmission nightmares, no more mechanics giving you that fake, sympathetic look while secretly counting your money. Imagine the peace of mind of owning a vehicle where reliability is baked into its DNA. The truth is, most people waste thousands because they pick the wrong SUV. They get seduced by features, gadgets, and fancy designs. But those don't matter if the car spends more time in the repair shop than on the road. What matters is dependability, the kind of dependability that lets you take a road trip without second-guessing if you'll make it back. The kind that lets you commute daily without worrying if today is the day your engine light turns into a financial nightmare. And here's the kicker: these bulletproof SUVs aren't just legends. They're backed by consumer reports, owner testimonials, and real-world track records. They've been tested, abused, and pushed to the limit, yet they still keep running. That's why smart buyers hunt them down like hidden treasure. Because once you own one of these, you're not just buying a car, you're buying freedom from stress, freedom from repair bills, and freedom from being taken advantage of. So today, I'm going to show you 12 SUVs that you can buy with confidence, vehicles so reliable that once you own them, you'll never have to worry about costly repairs again. But fair warning, after you see this list, you'll realize how much money you've been wasting chasing the wrong cars. 1. Toyota 4Runner. This SUV is practically unkillable. The 4Runner is built on a truck frame, meaning it can take abuse that would destroy most modern SUVs. It's simple, rugged, and its engines are legendary for crossing 300,000 miles without major repairs. Buy one, and you're buying freedom from breakdowns. 2. Honda CR-V. The CR-V is the definition of reliability. It's not flashy, but that's exactly why it lasts so long: no overcomplicated systems to fail. Owners regularly drive these well past 200,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and basic maintenance. This SUV doesn't just last, it refuses to die. 3. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander combines Toyota dependability with family comfort. Unlike other midsize SUVs, this one doesn't eat transmissions or burn oil. It's a smart investment because it runs forever and costs pennies to maintain compared to competitors. 4. Lexus RX. Luxury that doesn't punish you. The RX is a rare luxury SUV that's bulletproof because under that leather and wood trim, it's basically a Toyota. While other luxury cars drain wallets, the RX quietly racks up miles with almost no drama. 5. Honda Pilot. Think of the Pilot as a CR-V's bigger brother. It has space, comfort, and most importantly, a reputation for rock-solid reliability. Families love it because it won't strand them on road trips. It's one of those SUVs that just keeps starting every morning no matter what. 6. Toyota Sequoia. If you want big, tough, and indestructible, the Sequoia is your answer. This is Toyota's full-size SUV, and it's known for monster engines that run for decades. Mechanics hate it because it rarely needs their help. Buy one, and you'll see why it's a legend. 7. Subaru Forester. The Forester is the SUV for people who need safety and longevity in one package. Subaru's all-wheel drive system is nearly indestructible, and owners brag about hitting insane mileage without a single major failure. This SUV is built to endure. 8. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most popular SUVs on the planet for a reason: because it doesn't break. Year after year, it ranks at the top for reliability. It's not just fuel efficient, It's stress efficient, no major problems, no surprise bills. 9. Acura MDX. Acura gives you the reliability of Honda with a touch of luxury. The MDX isn't flashy, but it's famous for engines and transmissions that hold up far longer than competitors. When you buy one, you're investing in years of worry-free driving. 10. Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the king of reliability. Around the world, from deserts to mountains, the Land Cruiser is the SUV trusted to never quit. It's overbuilt. It's unstoppable. And that's why used ones are still worth so much they simply don't die. 11. Mazda CX-5. Mazda has quietly built one of the most reliable modern SUVs with the CX-5. Unlike others that fail with fancy tech, this SUV balances performance and reliability perfectly. It's proof that dependable doesn't have to mean boring. 12. Nissan Xterra. The Xterra is rugged, old school, and built to last. While many modern Nissans are hit or miss, the Xterra is one of the last true tough SUVs they made. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for someone who wants a no-nonsense workhorse. And there you have it, 12 SUVs that just don't quit. Now, here's the fun part. I want you to really think about this. Have you ever owned an SUV that felt like a blessing or a total nightmare? Did it run forever? Or did it drain your wallet faster than you could fill your gas tank? Trust me, I've seen people swear by their Toyota 4Runner hitting 500,000 miles, and I've seen others nearly cry over an SUV that broke down the same week they bought it. So now, I'm curious, what's your story? Drop it in the comments. Which SUV do you think is the true king of reliability? Or maybe you've got a horror story about a so-called reliable SUV that betrayed you. Don't hold back. I want to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. And hey, if you're thinking, well, my SUV isn't on this list, does that mean it's doomed? Well, let's just say you might want to keep your mechanic on speed dial. Go ahead, comment your SUV experiences below. I'll be reading through them, and who knows, your story might end up in a future video.